Can I call when I need a window clean? This is a question that we're asked regularly. At RedClean, we only clean regular customers who want a window clean on a 4 to 8 week rota. We don't do one-off cleans, and there are a few reasons for that. One of the reasons we don't allow customers to ring and tell us when they want a window clean is logistics. We cover around a 30 to 40 mile radius from our base in Bletchley, Milton Keynes for domestic window cleaning. We have set runs that we fulfil in various areas each week. If we allow a customer to call us for a one-time clean, it would become unprofitable to send a window cleaner miles away from the following customer's house. We need to make a profit each day to stay in business and to continue offering excellent service. Another reason we don't allow customers to ring and book when they need a window cleaner is that we are paid to keep your windows clean and to not just clean them when they're filthy. In our nearly 20 years of cleaning windows, we've had many people ringing us, emailing us and flagging us down in the streets to see if we can clean their windows because they're filthy. We have never offered an ad hoc because we have a business full of clients who want windows cleaning all year round. We believe windows need to be cleaned all year round. Who wants to look through dirty windows? The last reason is results. As we clean all domestic customers' houses with water-fed poles, the results are best when you have relatively clean windows to start. Don't get us wrong, the window cleaning system is very effective, but it can take us a very long time to get the first clean on a property up to a standard. Even when it's up to par, you may be left with a few imperfections from leaky frames, vents, and dirt that is from perished structures that are not entirely sealed units. Once we've cleaned your property 2 to 3 times, these issues will go away, but to give you the best possible service with the best possible standard of window cleaning, we should stay on top of the dirt of the windows. You will then enjoy a nice shiny clean window all year round. Our final reason is that we run a successful business all year round and need all year round customers to do that. If we had a company full of ad hoc cleans, we would need more time to plan, may experience fewer days, and need to keep our staff in employment 5 days a week. As window cleaning is relatively low cost, you need to fill the day with a certain number of consistent clients. We understand that some points raised above are not the customer's problem, and it's up to us as a company to make it work. Still, we need to run the business the way that we do to stay in business and to keep all our staff in full-time employment. We take our business seriously and do our best to run it as professional as possible. If you would like a regular, reliable and professional window cleaner, please get in touch. We would only be too happy to help.